Hello and a warm welcome to this analysis. In this video, I've covered the CNX IT sector. Looks quite strong and has been actually, with the bank Nifty not doing that great over the last 1 year. IT industry has really held on to the index and managed and moved ahead. Of course, it's been quite volatile in the middle, but let's discuss it from a all points of perspective. So first, we starting with the quarterly charts. Now, huge run up continues to do well. So except for the a brief dump in 2022 during the Ukraine-Russian war escalation, the which led to a kind of a correction sideways and an immediate bounce back. But note, we have yet to take out the January 2022 quarter high yet. That's still not taken out 39,500. Prior to that, the earlier major correction had taken place in the COVID 2020. So after every major correction, like all good strong sectors, this one continues to bounce back quite sharply, near approaching the previous high right now in the quarterly charts. Now, the support for the quarterly chart is quite deep down, around 33,000, and then further down that is there. But first is 33,000 right now, with steady green candles forming out there. The monthly has a Ichimoku bullish TK crossover formation taking place, and major support right now. Even though the candles are quite strong, but the last three candles the way have formed, I would keep major support right now at 36,600 as a very strong support for the monthly chart with this bullish TK crossover. Normally, a good bullish TK crossover happening in a above the cloud in Ichimoku is a strong signal. So good possibility of further burn. Like I said, near its all-time high. So some consolidation should not be ruled out. A monthly support 36,600, 1,000 points lower. Now let's look at the weekly chart and try to see what the weekly charts are telling us. So here in the weekly we have a double bottom formation, which you can see here out here. Nice double bottom formation took place here in the weekly out here, and then some consolidation and a nice takeoff from there. The Ichimoku weekly charts has a gap up in the daily as well as a good future outlook. The Kijun in Ichimoku is slightly flat, hence we are seeing two three candles of flatness. But this could be also because near all time high, some consolidation taking place now because of this double bottom formation and takeoff. The index initiated a bullish harmonic dragon pattern, and it has just about completed the first target of a dragon around at 37,750, and after that we've seen some consolidation. So mind you, the dragon is not a reversal pattern, it's a continuation with trend pattern. So the first target of the dragon is done. The second target for the dragon is near 44,500 to 45,000. That's a nice steady 8,000 points, 7,000 points more possible. But uh, for that, I would prefer to see the index start sustaining above 37, 38,100. 38,100 is something I'm looking for out here, because if you go to the hourly charts, it looks like a triangle formation, and in the hourly we could have a possible breakout sustaining above 38,100, which could, yes, then test this 38,500 recent swing high, and then try to push away and make another ATH in that kind of a formation. So quite strong for the upside levels. Now let's try to look at what would be our downside possibilities, starting with the weekly support, because we did the monthly at 36,600. Where is the weekly support right now? At 36,000, and then a deeper one at 34,500. So if a pullback happens, that's what one should look for. Otherwise, aggressive upside sector chart is extremely strong. So there's no sign of weakness, more of a consolidation happening, as you can see in the chart out here from early Feb. So quite strong sideways movement happening out here. Volatile, yes. Look at the size of the candles happening since 12th Jan. Large candle formations, 2 days down, 1 day up, again down, again up. So a lot of volatility in this index. Yes, January was a month of results, so we had each heavyweight declaring results and the index reacting to it accordingly. But now in the daily, if it holds the level of 37,300, then it could try to do another attempt, break above 38,100, then the 38,500, and then the previous high of 39,500, and then try to move it. However, if failure to hold 38,300 on a daily basis or even an hourly basis, 38,300 could push this index down to 36,700, and then this gap area at 35,500, 35,000, that would be huge support. Any chance of a pullback there would be an opportunity. But before that also, this 37,000, 36,700, 37,000 itself is a strong support area. So we could also see something, in case it breaks, come here, take the cloud, and then bounce back from here also possible. We can look at these scenarios also. But most important, no weakness till 36,300 holds uh, in the hourly chart. Till then, I wouldn't look for any weakness in the IT index, and look at opportunities to add. Look at this individual IT stocks, and once above 38,100, the index could outperform the other indexes and could really be a solid seller. So look for your stocks in the IT index. Keep them ready. Either if it's a pullback happening after the dragon first target, then look at that pullback to add more, or in an on the breakout, go aggressive on the upside for a lot more on the upside. Now, disclaimer: this is not a trading advice to you. This is purely a educational video based on Ichimoku and the harmonic trading pattern concepts. And I hope this video is of help to you. So please do like it, share it, and do follow me for such regular updates on stocks and indexes. Until then, happy investing.